Hey everyone, is Vinrice.com a legit store or just another online scam? Let's take a closer look. Vinrice.com sells trendy clothes at prices that look almost good to be true. And that's where the first red flag pops up. Many scam sites lure buyers with huge discounts. Looking at the customer reviews, a pattern appears. A lot of people complain about long shipping delays, with some waiting over a month or never receiving their order at all. That's frustrating, especially when you expect fast delivery. Then there's the issue of product quality. Several buyers reported that the clothes they received look cheap or totally different from the photos on the site. So, what you see isn't always what you get. And if you try to return items, that's another problem. Many say they face refund issues or couldn't reach for customer service support. Sites like Scam Advisor even give Winrise.com a low trust score. So, is Winrise.com legit? Technically, yes. It's a real website, but based on reviews and risk, it's not recommended. If you want better quality, faster shipping, and real customer service, it's smarter to shop from trusted stores like ASOS, Uniqlo, or H&M online. So stay safe and shop smart. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.